McDonald's, Amazon, and every other Fortune 500 company knows something that's critical to your success when it comes to promoting your music. And in this video, I'm going to reveal what that is. So let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to just about everything in life, it's human nature to want it good, fast, and cheap. But unfortunately, you can't have all three. You can only choose two. Now, this is a concept that the corporate world commonly refers to as triple constraint. It's something that big companies have been aware of and used for decades in the realm of project management and delivering their products and services. But it doesn't just apply to big companies. It's a simple reality of everyday life. So let me give you an example. You can go through the drive-thru at McDonald's and you can get some food that's fast and cheap, but it's not going to be good, healthy, nutritious food. You can get healthy, nutritious food fast, but that's not something that you're going to find on the dollar menu at McDonald's. You're going to have to pay a premium for that. Or you can get good, healthy, nutritious food and you can get it cheap if you go to the grocery store, buy what you need, take it home, and make it yourself. But that's not going to be very fast. So you can have good, healthy food fast, you can have good, healthy food cheap, or you can have unhealthy food fast and cheap, but you're typically not going to find good, healthy food fast and cheap. That's the triple constraint: quality, speed, and cost. Everyone wants things good, fast, and cheap, but you can't have all three. You have to pick the two that are most important to you. It's the same with a company like Amazon. They'll get you whatever you need fast, sometimes the same day, but the quality will typically depend on how much you spend. You can get a top-of-the-line TV delivered to your front door within a day, but it's probably going to be pretty expensive. Or you can get a cheap TV delivered to your door within a day, but it's probably going to be an older model with a lower quality picture, lower quality sound, and fewer features in general. Everyone wants things good, fast, and cheap. That's just human nature, and it's the same for your music promotion. Everyone wants real fans, they want them fast, and they don't want to spend a lot of money on promotion. But once again, you have to pick two. Which of those three things are most important to you? If fast and free are most important, you can go out and buy a bunch of fake streams and fake followers to artificially inflate your numbers on streaming platforms and social media. But those aren't real fans, so it won't result in anyone actually listening to your music, buying your merch, or coming to your shows. On the other hand, if you have a ton of money, you can get a bunch of real fans very quickly. If you spend a couple $1,000,000 paying some of the top influencers on social media to share your music with all their followers, you might get 1,000,000 fans overnight. But that's obviously a lot of money and something that most people can't afford. Now, the third option is getting real fans without spending a lot of money on promotion, but the trade-off is that you're going to have to be patient. If you don't have a lot of money to spend on promotion, it's going to take longer to build your fan base. Now, the good news is your only options are not either free promotion or spend millions of dollars. For example, you could set aside $100 a month to spend on promoting your music to start with, so you can start steadily growing your fan base. And if you have the right system in place, you should be able to monetize your fan base, meaning as your fan base grows, you start making money from selling merch, live shows, digital downloads, physical album sales like vinyl records, fan club memberships. Maybe you set up a Patreon account for fans to be able to offer their support. So maybe you just start out with $100 a month, but if you can make back $100 through any of the methods I just mentioned, now you have $200. The $100 that you were originally setting aside for next month's promotion, plus another $100 that you made back through merch sales, a small live show, or whatever. So now you can spend $200 on promotion next month. And because you're spending more money on promotion, you should be getting even more fans. And as a result, making even more money. So maybe the next month you can spend $300 and then $400 and so on. And before long, you have $1,000 a month to spend on promoting your music. Then maybe $5,000, then $10,000, then maybe $20,000 a month. So now you're no longer getting real fans cheap. Now you'll be getting real fans fast because you can afford to spend the money. So you can't get real fans fast and cheap, but with the right system in place, you can start out by getting real fans cheap and in time start getting real fans fast. Now, if you'd like to learn more about how you can set up a system that will allow you to start promoting your music without spending a lot of money so you can get real fans cheap and then grow to the point where you're getting real fans fast, I actually have a free ebook that you can download right now. It's called The Music Promotion Blueprint, and I'll post a link to that in the video description below, so you can go ahead and check that out now. You can also find a lot of other additional videos here on this channel to help you promote your music and grow your fan base, so be sure to check those out too. And if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below the video. And if you're not already subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and click the subscribe button now and click the little bell icon to be notified as soon as new videos are released on the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.